to our demonstration showing the integration from our source PLM solution, Aras Innovator, to both Dynamics 365 and SharePoint target apps. This will be done using our Nexus integration platform. Let's start by showing you the sample part that will be used for this demonstration. In Aras, we'll simply go ahead and search for the part and retrieve it. You can see the part has some basic information. There's also some ERP data that we'll update later, show that works as a federated integration. Down below, you can see there's a BOM structure with child parts. We'll also be looking at a viewable image of the CAD file. Will also be included as part of the integration. So before we start, let's go into the target applications and make sure that part doesn't already exist. SharePoint, we'll go and do a quick search. And you can see it does not find that part. We'll bring up our Dynamics 365 environment, go into the items, and initiate the same search. And you can see that it doesn't find that same part. So now let's go back into Aras Innovator. On the Changes tab, we've already put this part onto a change management process, in this case an ECO. Opening the ECO, we'll go look at its life cycle to show you that it has steps to move from in planning all the way through release. It's at release that the integration will be initiated. We'll go to the sign-offs tab, come to our vote option, and go ahead and vote this to ERP update. Executing this will not only close out the ECO, release the parts, but then initiate the integration, pushing the part information to both Dynamics 365 and SharePoint. Let's go ahead into our SharePoint environment. We'll go into our manufacturing vault and search for anything latest. And you can see, just a few minutes ago, there is our assembly and child parts. If I open up the assembly, you can see the artifacts. We have the viewable file that came in from Aras Innovator. And we also have a CSV file where we extracted the BOM structure from that assembly and put it into this file and brought that along. Now let's go back into Dynamics 365. We'll initiate that same search. Notice now there's the part. If we open the part, we can see the basic information has come over. We also have the PLM file URL. If we click on that, we can actually view the viewable file from this environment. Scrolling down, we go to the replenishment section. We can see there's an assembly BOM. By clicking that, we can see the BOM structure that also was created as part of the integration. Now we can go back and look at some of the attributes that are set up from a federated data perspective. We can come into our unit cost here, give it a value, and then we'll go to our quantity on hand, give it a value. And with those values in place, we will now go back to Aras Innovator. We're going to refresh that part. And notice that the ERP data is now populated. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.